Namaskar and welcome everyone. Wish you all a very happy, colorful, and blessed Holi. When the colors of the rainbow are sprayed in the earth below, we know it is Holi. The festival of colors is the epitome of all celebrations in India. Holi is more than just a festival, it is a significant drive of tourism and hospitality. The economic impact on local businesses, the opportunities for immersive experiences, and the rise of experiential travel all contribute to the festival's growing significance in the tourism landscape. Industry data indicate that flight booking for the holy travel period have increased by nearly 70 to 75% year on year, and hotel occupancy crossed 75%, while advance bus booking rose by more than 70%, indicating strong intercity travel demand. The extended weekend around Holi sparked a travel boom across Rajasthan. A notable rise in foreign arrivals destinations such as Jaipur, Jaisalmer, Udaipur, and Pushkar. Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities are emerging as major drivers of festival travel, particularly among travelers returning home to celebrate with family. Bhopal, Kanpur, Darbhanga, Varanasi, Patna, Ranchi, and so on. Metropolitan cities like Ahmedabad recorded the highest growth in Holy Week flight booking, followed by Hyderabad and Chennai, while Kolkata, Delhi, and Pune also saw strong increases. Bengaluru and Mumbai recorded steady year on year growth. Women travelers are also contributing significantly to festive travel demand, with advance bus booking by women rising by nearly 80% and accounting for approximately 40% of total seats booked. The growing demand reflects a broader shift in travel behavior, with festivals increasingly becoming catalyst for experiential travel. Holi is rapidly emerging as one of India's most significant seasonal travel drivers. Let's briefly see the hot spot for Holi, Jaipur. Jaipur's Holi draws thousands to city palace celebrations, Amer Fort, elephant processions, and flower Holi at Govind Dev Ji temple. Travelers arrive easily via short flight from Delhi, trains from Agra, and overnight buses. Organic Gulal market, palace events, and walkable street make Jaipur one of India's busiest and most vibrant Holi destinations. Jaisalmer. Foreign tourists are flocking to Jaisalmer, actively participating in its royal holy tradition by joining procession and buying colors. The celebration centered around historic temples and public square create a vibrant cross-culture atmosphere. The allure of the Golden City's unique heritage has drawn an exceptionally high number of international groups this year. Udaipur is a premier destination for foreign tourists during Holi due to its unique blend of royal Holi traditions, luxurious safe celebrations, and picturesque lakeside setting. The city offers a sophisticated, curated, and less chaotic experience compared to other Indian cities. Udaipur has seen a 233% surge in travel interest for the 2026 Holi period. Holi in Puskar is not just about playing with colors. It is a full-fledged carnival that combines music, dance, and lively atmosphere, unlike any other in India. The entire town transforms into festival ground where local and tourists celebrate together, breaking barriers of nationality, caste, and creed. Mathura and Vrindavan's Holi, rooted in Lord Krishna's traditions. It is premier global attractions, drawing thousands of international tourists to witness its week-long, vibrant, and unique celebrations. Tourists from over 30 plus countries, including Russia, visit the Braj region to experience iconic, culturally immersive events like Latthumar Holi in Barsana and Phoolowali Holi in Vrindavan. Vrindavan recorded 126% increases in travel interest, while Mathura saw a 109% rise, reflecting growing interest in spiritual and traditional holy celebration. Hampi recorded a 128% increase in searches, attracting travelers interested in cultural experiences set amid historic temple complexes, while Santi Niketan in West Bengal saw a 43% increase in travel interest during the Holi period. Social media play a crucial role in promoting holy tourism. Travelers often share their experiences online. As the colors of Holi wrap people in each other's hues, it also brings together communities to enjoy the change of seasons and appreciate nature in its full glory. Again, wish you all a very happy Holi and see you in the next video with a new lesson. Till then, take care. Do